In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail notifications on iPhone. If you're missing critical emails because your notifications aren't working properly, then this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can easily find it by looking for the gear icon on your home screen. This step is important because all notification settings are controlled from here. Once you have the Settings app open, you're ready to move on. Now, tap on Notifications. This section manages how and when your iPhone alerts you to new information. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it can affect various apps. Your notifications are organized here, making it simple to adjust them as needed. Next, scroll down the list until you find Gmail. Tap on it to access the specific notification settings for your Gmail app. It's crucial to ensure that the right app is selected, as each app has its own notification settings. Once you're in the Gmail notification settings, turn on Allow Notifications. This switch is fundamental because it activates all other notification options for Gmail. Without this step, no notifications will come through, so double-check that it's enabled. After enabling notifications, you'll want to ensure that the notifications are set to appear in the right places. Enable Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners. This ensures that you see notifications in all the essential places, whether your phone is locked or unlocked. Having notifications appear in multiple locations helps keep you informed no matter what you're doing. Next up, it's time to make sure you can hear your notifications as well. Turn on sounds. This will ensure that you get an audible alert whenever an email arrives, helping you catch important messages as they come in. Sounds are especially useful when you're not looking directly at your phone. Additionally, turn on badges. Badges are the little red circles with numbers that appear on app icons. They let you know how many new emails you have at a glance. This visual cue is great for staying on top of your inbox without opening the app constantly. With these settings adjusted, your Gmail notifications should now be working perfectly on your iPhone. You should start receiving notifications for new emails in all the ways you've set up. Keep in mind that having a reliable notification system is key to staying productive and responsive. If you've followed all these steps and still aren't receiving notifications, it might be worth checking your Gmail app's internal settings. Sometimes the app itself has separate notification settings that need to be adjusted. However, in most cases, the steps we've covered should resolve the issue. By following these simple instructions, you've configured your iPhone to alert you properly whenever a new Gmail message arrives. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you manage your emails daily. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you stay connected with your important emails. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Goodbye for now.